Hey guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix controller not working in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero on PC. So, if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, if you're having problems with your game here, there's a few things that you can try here to see if that solves your issue. So, the first thing you can try here is to visit your device manager. Now, at the bottom left of your screen, you want to go ahead and click on the search option here and just type in the following, which is going to be device manager. Let's go and open it up. Now, in this case, we first need to identify how do you have your controller connected and also what type of controller you have. So if you have a, like for example, a device or controller that you could plug in directly, so if it has any receivers, well in this case, you should be able to see them under the option for sound, video, and game controllers. Now, if you expand this one, you should be able to see your controller here. Now, this is especially common for Xbox controllers. So if you have it connected here, what we need to do is we need to right click on it, just click on update driver, and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to update the driver for that specific controller. Now, if you have it connected via Bluetooth, you want to go and open up Bluetooth here. You want to go ahead and right click on your controller, click on update driver, and same thing, just go ahead and click on search automatically, and basically it should say if you already have the latest driver for this one. But once you've done that, what we need to do next is we need to identify your controller. Now, if you don't have a Xbox controller or wireless controller here, you might need to install some additional software in order for your controller to start working properly. Now, if it's an official controller that you're using, most likely you might need to install an app for that one. But yeah, so this might be a kind of different, but yeah, so in this case, you want to go ahead and search for the app or software for that and install it into your PC. But in this case, another thing that you could also do here is you can set up your controller. So at the bottom left here, you want to go ahead and click on controller. It should give you set up USB game controllers. Let's go and click on this one. So especially if you don't have or you can't find the actual software for your controller, you can go ahead and choose this one. So you can go and select the controller here, go ahead and click on OK or properties for that one, start setting it up. Now, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you line up. Thank you for watching.